अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं रिलेशन बिटवीन ड्रिफ्ट वेलोसिटी एंड करंट। ड्रिफ्ट वेलोसिटी मीन्स द वेलोसिटी विद विच द electrons are drifted in the metallic conductor. So this drift velocity is denoted by Vd, and the current you know is I. So what is the relation between? So let us take a conductor of length conductor AB, as shown in figure. AB is a conductor having length equal to it is connected to a potential difference is applied across the ends of the conductor. A potential difference V, potential difference, or a battery of potential difference, or EMF V, potential difference connected across the ends of metallic conductor. That is V. V is the potential difference connected across the ends of this metallic conductor of having length L. So an electric field is set up at all points. Electric field E, that is equal to V by L, where V potential difference and L is the length of the conductor. Now let us consider area of cross section. Area of cross section of conductor equal to S. So S is the area of cross section of this conductor. Suppose this is the area of cross section of the metallic conductor, and the velocity with which the electrons are drifted, or we may say drift velocity. Drift velocity, that is equal to Vd. Drift velocity means the magnitude of drift velocity with which the electrons are drifted across the length of the conductor, that is Vd. Let us consider, let n is the number of electrons per unit volume of conductor. So n here, n is the number of electrons per unit volume, S is the area of cross section, L is the length. So total number of electrons present in conductor AB, that will be equal to total number of electrons when n is per unit volume, that will be n into volume of AB. N is the number of electrons per unit volume, and total number of electrons in this conductor will be equal to n into volume of AB, or that will be equal to n into volume is equal to area of cross section into length. So that is equal to NSL. Now charge on this electron, charge on electron, that is E. Each electron, that is E. So total charge present in this, that will be equal to NSLE. Total charge equal to NSLE. So means Q is equal to NSLE. Now since time taken by electrons to cover distance L, means distance of this conductor, with an average velocity, that is Vd. What is the time taken? That it is t. So this t will be equal to L by Vd. Since we know velocity बराबर होता है distance by time, so which means that t will be equal to L by V. However, here V is equal to Vd, so t is equal to L by Vd. Now substituting value of this. So now according to definition of I, we know I equal to Q by T. I equal to Q by T, where substituting values of Q and T from second and third, we have I equal to Q is equal to N S L E divided by, that is T is equal to L by Vd. L by Vd. So which is equal to N S L E into Vd by L. L and L cancel. That is N S L E Vd. That is equal to N S L. Sorry, NSE Vd. So I is equal to NSE Vd. What is the relation between different lights? So Vd is equal to I by NSE. So Vd is equal to I by NSE. This is the relation between drift velocity and current, where Vd is drift velocity, I is the current, N is the number of these electrons per unit volume. Per unit volume, S is the area of cross section, and E is the charge on each electron. So here N, E, S area of cross section matters. Greater the area of cross section, the less will be the drift velocity. Thanks. That is the relation between drift velocity and current.